In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal entry for cost of goods sold in QuickBooks Online. If you need to manually record cost of goods sold in QuickBooks Online, this process is very straightforward once you know where to go and which accounts to use. The goal of this entry is to move the value out of your inventory asset account and into your cost of goods sold account, so your books reflect the expense correctly. To begin, go to the top left corner of QuickBooks Online and click New. This opens the menu where you can create different types of transactions and accounting entries. From there, select Journal Entry. This will take you to the Journal Entry screen where you can manually record the adjustments. Once you're on the Journal Entry page, the first thing you want to do is enter the journal date. Make sure you choose the correct date for the period you want this transaction to affect. This is important because the date determines when the expense and inventory adjustment will appear in your financial reports. Next, move down to the Journal Entry table. On the first line, select the Cost of Goods Sold account. After choosing that account, enter the debit amount. This debit increases your cost of goods sold expense, which is what you want when inventory has been used or sold and needs to be recognized as an expense. Then go to the next line. Here, select the Inventory Asset account. In the credit column, enter the same amount you used for the debit. This is a key part of the entry because the debit and credit must match exactly for the journal entry to be balanced. Crediting the inventory asset account reduces the value of inventory on your balance sheet, while the debit to cost of goods sold increases the expense on your profit and loss statement. Take a moment to review the entry before saving it. Double-check the date, account names, and amounts to make sure everything is accurate. Even a small mistake in a journal entry can affect your reports, so it's always a good idea to confirm that both lines are correct and balanced. After entering all the necessary details, click Save and New. This saves your journal entry and opens a fresh one in case you need to create another entry right away. And that's all. That's how to create a journal entry for cost of goods sold in QuickBooks Online.